Welcome back to the Hollis Urban Garden. Many blessings to you all. I hope you can hear me. I didn't even check to see if the volume was up before I even started this. Turn your volume up if my volume is down. Thank you. So, I just want to come on today to give a quick update on what's in the garden. Now, I just came back and I came back with goodies. My goodness. Let's see. You can see that. Yes, it's right here. I can pick it up. This is a cherry bush, Juliet cherry bush. It's self pollinating because I didn't want to have to get two because my area is not that huge. But it's self pollinating. It's good for eating fresh or cooking. Oh, yes, it's called the Juliet bush cherry. This was at a nursery about an hour away, I would say, for me. 40% off, which was awesome. The original price was $50, I believe. But I got no. This one was 25% off. My bad. This was 25% off because they're like, no, the shrubs and things like that. They know people will still buy at this point. However, let me bring you to my next gift. Not gift, but surprise. My next goodie, I should say, not surprise. But this is really tall. Look at that. And this is my Asian pear tree. Get out of there. This is a bug, sorry. This is my Asian pear. Whole sui, whichever one. HOSUI, Asian pear. So we're going to try that. It is good for my area. And the bush cherry tree is good down to zone 2B. So that's pretty good, down to negative 45. So that's great. That's great. That's really great. So it's really good for my area, but really good for whoever is in 2B freezing like that. But these are the two additions from today, my Asian pear tree and my cherry bush. Now, I want to graft this, but I don't think I have enough limbs. I don't believe I have enough limbs to graft this. It's only three, so no, I won't. But before I get to graft it, there's another sale on the Asian pear because this was their last one that they had. Then I'll just have to get another one and then, we'll go from there. But we'll see. But I was super excited about this because I had been looking at this same Asian pear for 2 weeks, I believe. Now I've been looking online and they are expensive. They want at least, how much was that one? 179 for an Asian pear. And I'm like, I just cannot justify buying a tree for that much. Like I know I've been buying, we buy our trees and our flowers and it can add up to that, but that's a bundle, not for one. I wouldn't pay that much for one tree. I just yes, over the years it'll pay for itself, but not right now. So no, I just don't see myself paying for that. No, not at that price. This original price was they took it well, can't remember how much was it. 69.99, which is really good for a tree this size. This is really big. I think this is a 10-gallon bucket, maybe 5 gallon, maybe. But I'll let you see the bucket. It's pretty big. So yeah, it's pretty decent for $69.99. But I didn't pay $69.99. This was 40% off. So yeah, I got a deal for these. I paid $80 for the two, so that was pretty good. So I'm excited. My only thing is, my neighbor's cleaning up. My only thing is, I have to find somewhere to put it. I do have 30-gallon bags that I said that I would use, that I actually may definitely use for this cherry bushel. This cherry bush, I definitely will use that for that though. But I don't know if I want to put this Asian pear in a bag. I want to put it in the ground, and I just don't know where. I just don't know where yet. But I will find a spot. I will definitely find a spot for it. But I just wanted to come on to show you guys this. I, yeah, I have things that I've still not put in the ground yet, like my marjoram. This is an annual, so it's fine. I'll leave that in the pot and I'll just pick from it still. And I'll show you guys that I had just got. Like, I want to say 2 weeks ago from the same spot that I was looking at the Asian pear. So yeah, it had flowers. But I do use this marjoram in chicken. I love marjoram in chicken. It's really good as a herb. And then I also have yarrow and lemon and orange mint that I don't have in a space yet. I'm not going to put that in the ground unless I put it in the front. I'm thinking about it. But if I don't get the chance to plant those, it will definitely be put in the greenhouse. And the one thing that I'm definitely putting in the greenhouse is my Valencia orange. And this is what it's looking like right now. Oh, that's what that's looking like right now. Still in this small pot. Okay, I'm back, guys. Ugh, it was a whiff of some woo. I don't know where that came from. Oh my goodness. Woo. Okay, but anyway, that was loud. Whatever that was. Woo. Anyway, so the same place that I got the cherry, Asian pear, and marjoram and lemon mint, and the Valencia orange, I did pick up a little pack that I think is so nice. Let me show you. See if I can show you guys the right here. There we go. This is basil. As you can see, I've been picking off of this. It's going dying back some, but I've been tearing this thing up. Basil, rosemary. I've been picking a bunch of parsley, and it comes back like that. And sage, and that was for $10. So I think that that was a really good buy for me, and for not finding anything around this time in the 5B area, because no one wants to chance it for some reason, but I am. So on the next video, I will show you guys the fall garden, the things that I did just plant from seed like 3 weeks ago. And I'll show you guys what that is that I planted and how it's doing. And we'll continue to see how it's going, because I planted some things and we've harvested from, these are transplants now, some of the transplants that I harvested from, like the Swiss chard and cilantro. It's a string. But anyway, I'll show you guys that in another video, and then I'll show you what's growing from seed, and I really hope I get a good harvest from it. But until then, like, share, subscribe, and most importantly, grow. Many blessings.